welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is Thrift Store Thursday. Very, very, very small haul, but I did some research on what I found. And y'all know I get excited when I put my head down and I'm like, wow, I can't believe it. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you different styles of the collection, the little mini collection that I found Friday. And again, I'm back outside. I'm not doing my backdrop today because it is hot, so excuse me, I am sweating. It's early Sunday morning and the little girl is still asleep because she was up partying Saturday. And as you can hear, that frog is back. Oh, I'm gonna get him today. But anyway, let's move on and let me show y'all what I picked up. I went to the thrift store. You know how something just say, let me ride down there real quick. You know, I got $10. I found these. Now, the company that makes these is called Blendo. I may not even be saying it right, but it's called Blendo. And I'm gonna give you a brief description of what the company is about. Should have had this ready for you, but give me 1 second. Okay, Blendo Glass was made by West Virginia Glass Company and was really popular in the 1950s and 60s, and is still relatively easy to find now. So what I came across was, you know, these tumblers and juice glasses from the 50s and the 60s. Okay. Orange, and they were 49 cents. And then I found it in purple, 49 cents. And I got it in green, 49 cents. And they have the 24 karat gold rim. Very, very nice. Of course, they have to get cleaned out. But I thought these were so beautiful. And I didn't even know, you know, who they were made from, or if they were vintage, because I've never seen anything like this. But of course I had to come home and do my research. And then they had the tumblers, and these were 69 cents with the gold rim around it. They're very nice and heavy glasses. And then I found them in the orange as well. 9 cents. Orange. Oops. And I got them in purple. Purple is really beautiful. So, like I said, you know, this is a very short video, and the total I paid was $9.70 for 6 tumblers and 6 juice glasses, or they could be shot glasses, however you choose, you know, to use them. So I hope you liked my find, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have a set of these. I would love to see them. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always remember, like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next Thrift Store Thursday.